So how do you shoot professional looking real estate or property tour videos using nothing but your phone? Well, in this video, I've got 10 handheld camera moves for you that will instantly take your footage to the next level. It's coming up. Hey everyone, Steve here from Learn Online Video, and today I've got 10 handheld camera moves for you using nothing but a smartphone. Camera moves that will instantly give your footage that high-end premium look and make any property stand out. But with that out of the way, let's jump straight into this tutorial with camera move number 1. The establisher. Okay, camera move number 1 is the establishing shot. Really important, this one, as it instantly sets the scene. Find some foreground, frame your shot, and then reveal it. I went for a slider shot with this one, but an up movement or crane. Tilt down whilst walking backwards, keeping nice and steady. Use this shot to help reveal different areas in the property and create a bit more intrigue in your shots. Again, you don't need to walk with this shot, try just using your arms to create the movement. The tilt down crane. A bit more advanced, this one, but it's worth learning. We're tilting, we're leaning, we're sliding, we're combining multiple camera movements to create a shot that isn't seen often and can really add to the production value of your video. The worktop slider. Most properties will have a worktop, and if it's got an island, even better. Take advantage of this by using that worktop as a way of stabilizing your footage. Simply slide your camera along the surface and create super smooth shots that are a perfect way to show off any features in the kitchen. The hallway speed ramp. We deliberately want to shoot a long shot for this, and it's important to keep the camera as steady as possible throughout. We're going to push forward down the hallway and then turn into one of the rooms. Keep your movement smooth and consistent. Then in the edit, start in real time and speed ramp down the hallway and play at 50% speed as you enter the room. This is a great way to give your viewer a better feel for the property's layout, whilst also giving your footage that next level professional edge. Okay, I've saved the best for last, the pro finish. This is one of my all-time favorite ways to end a property tour video. Crouch down with your camera low to the ground, use foreground, slowly stand up and reach as high as you can, holding your shot at the end for a minimum of 5 seconds. This shot creates a beautiful crane-like movement, rising up to reveal the heart of the property, whilst also leaving enough time at the end for you to add property information and contact details. So those were 10 camera moves as individual clips, but now let's edit this footage together with music, sound effects and graphics to see what results we get.